Today's question is, what should we do about warm-ups on the day that they have writers workshop? Because in the workshop, there's also a warm-up. And it's the one that the students do, the captains will do in the workshop, and they will lead them in. It's a really like brief 60-second warm-up where it's sort of like a categories question, like name as many states as you can that start with N or something. And it forces like all the kids to sort of sit up and start writing to get themselves in motion. It's great for that. But like the last time I did this, my classes had been cut down to only 40-minute sessions, which is insane. And they felt really rushed because they wanted more time to write, but they also wanted as much time as possible to share out. That's probably their favorite part of all this is reading their stuff to the people in their trio or to the class. And so it was just eating up too much time. So it takes 5 minutes to do the ELA through a day and then 5 minutes to go over it and then move on from there. So you're looking at 10 to 12, and that's too much time. And we took a vote in the class is what I ended up doing. And they voted that the formal warm up could be optional because some of the kids really love it. I mean, they absolutely love it. So I said, okay. And I said, I'll give you a point. If you go back and do it on your own for homework or whatever, sure. Sure enough, the majority of them went back and did it as well because they love it that much. So I would put it back to the class as a vote and see what they think makes most sense. And so that the more you can help them feel like the workshop is theirs and they have ownership in it, any other like decisions they can make along the way, let them make decisions.